Now we are going to solve the problem in ratio. The remaining property, the ratio may be treated as property or rules. The ratio may be treated as fraction. 2:3 is equal to 2 by 3. So you have to convert the ratio into fraction. That is what 2 by 3. Okay. Now we are going to see the problems. Now we are going to solve the problem. First question, there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Solution, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. Okay, question is there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. So how many girls? 20 girls and 15 boys in the class. What is the ratio of number of girls? What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? So ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. Ratio of number of girls to the number of, we have to compare the girls and boys ratio. So we have to find out, the question is what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. So ratio of girls, that is, we will find out the what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of, we have to compare the number of girls and number of boys ratio. Then so ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. So how many girls? 20 girls. So 20 is divided by, so that means ratio means, I've told you the comparison of division is called what? Comparison of division is called ratio. So how many girls? 20 girls and 15 boys. So that is 20 is divided by 15. So you have to simplify this what? Division. Otherwise you can call it as a fraction. So 20 is divided by, if you take the, if you want to simplify this number, if you want to simplify these two numbers, so you have to take it as a what? Common number. You have to take it as a common number. That means 20 is divided by 5, 15 is also divided by 5. That means the numerator is divided by 5, the denominator is also divided by 5. So you must take the common divisor. So 20 is divided by 5, you can get 4, and 15 is divided by, 20 is divided by 5, you can get 4, 15 is divided by 5, you can get 3. So you can get 4 by 3, so the ratio is 4:3. I'll repeat once again this only. Solution, we have to find out what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. So solution is ratio of number of girls, ratio of number of girls to the number of boys. We have to compare the girls and boys ratio. So we have to compare the number of girls first and number of boys, and we have to find out the what? Ratio of the boys and ratio of the girls. That we have to compare. So I've told you what is ratio, that is comparison of division. Okay, comparison of division is called as, what is this? Ratio. So 20 is number of girls and divided by number of boys is 15. Number of girls is 20, number of boys is 15. 20 is divided by 15, you can get what? 4 by 3. How could you get 4 by 3? Because 20 is divided by 15, first you have to write. That means comparison. Okay, comparison of division. Comparison of division is called as ratio. That is 20 number of girls and 15 number of boys. 20 is divided by 5. This is called as a what? Division or fraction. So you have to simplify this what? Division. That is to simplify the numerator as well as the denominator. So you have to take a common divisor. This 20 is divided by 5, you can get 4, and 15 is divided by 5, you can get 3. So 4 by 3 fraction. So 4 by 3 fraction means, I've told you already, ratio may be treated as a fraction. So this fraction is converted into fraction 4:3. This is called as ratio 4:3. That is 4:3. This is girls and this is what? Boys. So 4:3 ratio. That is what we find out. Second question, find the ratio of the following. First question, ratio of 30 minutes to 45 minutes. We have to find out the what? Ratio of 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So 30, first we have to ratio means, first we have to write the question into division form. 30 divided by 45. So 30 is divided by 45. It is division form as well as a fraction form. So 30 divided by 45. After that you have to simplify this number. That means you have to take a common divisor. That means the numerator as well as the denominator is divided by the common divisor by 5. So 30 is divided by 5, you can get 6, and 45 is divided by 5, you can get 9. Again you have to simplify. So again you must take a common divisor for both numbers. 6 is divided by 3, you can get 2. 9 is divided by 3, you can get 3. 2 by 3 fraction. So fraction is treated as a ratio, or ratio is treated as a fraction. This is what? Ratio may be treated as fraction, or fraction may be treated as ratio. So 2 by 3 means you can write 2:3. So this is the answer for this question. 2:3 ratio, and this question 4:3 is the ratio for this question. And second question, 55 paise to ₹1. So you have to find out the ratio for this question. 100 paise is equal to ₹1. 100 paise is equal to ₹1. We have to find out for the 55 paise to ₹1. So 55 is divided by 100, because first I told you already, you have to convert, if the unit is different means you have to convert into same unit. Here 55 paise, here rupees. So this rupees is converted into paise. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So 55 divided by 100. First you have to write it as a what? Division form. So comparative of division. Comparison of division is called ratio. So 55 is divided by 100. 55 is divided by 100. It is a fraction form. Otherwise we can call it as a division form. So 55 divided by 100. So you have to simplify this what? Simplify this term. So simplify this fraction. So you have to take a common divisor. 55 is divided by 5, you can get 11. 100 is divided by 5, you can get 20. So 11 by 20 is a fraction. So hereafter you can't what simplify. So you have to write 11:20. This is the ratio. Okay, 11:20 is the ratio for this question. I think so you understand the basic concept of ratio.